Hey guys, Friday, May 6th. It's about 6 o'clock and we got something cool happening here. Oh yeah. This thing, as you can see, does not have the rear axle on it right now. And that's because it is laying there all exploded. And yeah, there's another one in that side of the shop there. But I gotta get this thing running. I just checked all the fluids. It is low on coolant. I want to see if I can get it to fire up first. Engine oil is good, training filter's good. I just stuck the batteries in. They're blems, but I don't want to go spending money on good ones before I knew if the truck would run. You know what I mean? So it's got blems. I just bumped it a little with the key and it does crank. So 94. It is a freaking mess in here. 187 glow plugs. I think it's been sitting probably 4 to 6 years, I think. Uh-oh. That does not sound good. It doesn't sound like it has compression. That's not good. There's oil pressure. Oh, it did fire. All right, let's get the camera set up out here. Smoke. Smoke. Okay. Pressure. Smoothed out, it seemed to, but I found a coolant leak. And you know what? Oh, shit. Look at that. That's fucking cool. But it is running, and running smooth now. That's a good thing. So I'm going to let it run for a couple minutes. Not too long. There is obviously some coolant in it. Where's the exhaust come out? It's not smoking. It is not smoking. Awesome. Yeah, crunch. Got a couple dents and shit, but it is running. Sweet. All right, I'm gonna let it run for a little while. Sorry guys, I didn't pull the camera out for this, but as you can see, it's been pissing coolant all over itself. So I shut her down for a little bit and then fired it back up. It fired right back up. And look at this. Door closes nice. No slop in the hinge pins. It's cruise control, which is nice. So evidently, I'll have to change the whole frickin' deal there before we get too much farther with this. But whew, it wasn't smoking or anything funny or anything like that. Hell, this door even. This one might need hinge pins, but not too bad. Yeah, she needs some cleaning and a little body work. Oop. Yummy. And a bumper and some other stuff, but she'll clean up. Well, I'm going to toy with it a little more tonight. And then the next step will be to put the replacement axle in. And let's scroll around here. This one, the axle that came out of it, had inboard drums. Ew, we don't like that kind. Really don't like that kind. Hang on just a sec here, guys. Okay, buried under all this stuff is a full floater with outboard drums. Or I think I might have said the other one had outboard drums. I meant inboard if I said outboard. And this one has outboard drums, which will be nice. Yes. But this thing, that looks bad, but it's all just surface. It's flaky, not like that thing where a whole bunch flaked off. This is actually a nice solid frame, and the body's not, ooh, that stood up into that thing. Paver. The body's not too bad on this. Yeah, ooh, needs window seals. Anyway. Last inspected 2010. Okay, so it's been sitting probably 6 years. So that was, I've been told it hasn't ran in that long, so that might have been a 6-year cold start. Oh yeah, I want to see if the lift pump was running. So I'm gonna fire this puppy back up real quick. Glow plugs. Ooh, turn that off. Look at how nice that fires up. Runs smooth. Alright, let's crawl underneath here. I forget where exactly the lift pump would be on this sumbitcher. Oh, I found it and it's not running. Okay. That's gonna need attention. Ugh. It is not running. Sorry you guys couldn't see anything. I could barely squeeze my head under there. But it is not running. That's no good. But the truck is running good. Awesome. Oh, starting to show some temperature on the gauge there, and we got good oil pressure, half a tank of fuel. Well, probably a little more actually, because it's tilted forward and we're charging. Little stutter on the rev, but it's probably not getting fuel. And Dad's plow truck does that too. So I'm not all that concerned about it. Anyway, let's shut her off. Alrighty guys, it's now Sunday, and as you can see, some things have changed. I reused the thermostat housing, but changed the crossover because I have found a spare one. So no longer busted there, and that's hold it down good enough. Silicone it there, of course silicone it down in there and where it hooks to the block. Changed the leak-prone GM Quick Connect. I just took and sawed off the end of the pipe. There's like a, on the Quick Connect deal, there's right in front of these little hooks, or the little catches, there's a lip on the pipe that this hook's on. And I cut it off right before the lip, so the lip was still on the pipe, and then so that way the hose clamp will catch on the lip, and just put this regular pipe nipple on there. And so no more leak prone BS. Just topped it off with coolant, so now I'm going to set the camera up and we're going to start it up for the first time since Friday, and let her run and get warm and see what happens. Awesome. Give you an exhaust view here. No problem at all. And look! No, coolant leak. That's just from the bleeder there. No coolant leak. Woo. Yay. That thing just bumped me in the ear. Thought it was a bug. So we're going to let her run now. See what happens. I got the heat on in here to get the air let out. Ooh, look, a fly. Hi, buddy. This window worked. Let's try the other one. Uh-oh. Oopsie. Shove that back up there. There we go. There we go. Fixed it. Good as new. Alright. So we're just going to let her run now and see what happens. Good oil pressure, good voltage. Awesome. Stay tuned, guys. Starting to get some heat. See how she goes. Stay tuned. Had to give her some throttle, but we're getting there. Probably just about ready to open. We'll see. Stay tuned. I love these old style dashes. I like my new style dash in my 97, but I like these ones too. Well, there she sits. Pipe is nice and warm. Heat coming out the radiator. I say she's good. She's been sitting like this for 5-10 minutes now, somewhere around there. Check for blow-by. I saw a little pop, but Cummins. Might know who that is. Look, not really any blow-by. Here, let's over here. That's not too bad. Could be worse. That's about what the plow truck is. Air blows. And this one had 187,000 on it, so on the original engine, so that ain't too bad. I'm gonna pull the intake pipe off here so I can see the turbo. Turbo's spinning. See if we can rev it up and hear the turbo. Turbo still squeals. Alright guys, it's been sitting for like a half hour. As you can see, it cooled down a little. Fire her back up. Let her run a little more. Oh. And oil pressure. I bet you we have almost 3/4 of a tank of fuel because it's tilted forward, and all GM vehicles, when they're tilted forward, the gauge reads lower than what it is. Well, all the GM trucks of this year's range, I should say. I can steer. Well, I'm gonna let her run a little bit more. Alright, well guys, it's been running for another 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes, somewhere around there. I haven't really been paying attention because I've been tinkering with other things. And as you can see, everything looks good in here. And everything looks good out of here. So let's shut her down. Pull the key a little. Oops, windows. Let's put the windows up in case it rains. Whee! Love power windows. Awesome. There we go. And I'm gonna put the hood down. Well, that's it for this video. Next step is gonna be getting the axle put under this thing and seeing how she does out on the road. But that's gonna be some other time because I got other stuff to do and I need help to get all this stuff out of the way. And my buddy's busy, so not happening today. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed that old start there. We have concluded that it was 6 years since it last ran. And it started pretty easy for sitting 6 years, but then again, it is a diesel, so ouch, like someone just bit me. Probably got ticks on me. I could pull a couple off me in the past 2 days. I've been working on it, so probably gonna have more on me. Anyway, I got other stuff to do today, so like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Go check out the Alpha 94 Facebook fan page. Link is in the description. And give it a like. I'd appreciate that. And we'll catch you later, guys. Take care.